this is for Halloween. It looks like a Halloween. And then has to be green to taste it. And if you want to play serious Halloween stuff, it has to be soft soap, full moon, orange, liquid hand soap, and Colgate, Max Fast is whitening the strip that is green. And then really weird sound. Like you can't take it out, but it's still a good sound. Okay, and that looks like it's the end of the video. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, everybody. Oh, also one more thing. If you guys add food coloring, has to be gel food coloring. Gel food coloring. And I'm gonna use like 2 inches of glue. And put everything away. So, wait. If that's it, then bye everybody. See you guys in my next video in the time. Like I'm gonna do this.